Good morning everyone. Standard 8, Chapter 2, Linear Equations in one variable. Equations with one variable with degree 1. In an equation, the value of the expression on the left hand side and right hand side are equal. To find the value of unknown, for example, we will take the variable x and we will find the value of x. Now, exercise 2.1, solve the following equation. The first one, x minus 2 is equal to 7. Now this is on the left hand side and this is your right hand side. So take minus 2 on the right hand side. So it is negative, it becomes positive. X equal to 7 plus 2. So we get x equal to 9. Let us go to the second one. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 3 plus becomes minus. So y is equal to 7. Now we go to the third one. 6 equal to x plus 2. Now plus 2. So it becomes negative. 6 minus 2 is equal to x. So 4 is equal to x. Why 4? Because 6 is positive and is greater. Now fourth one, 3 upon x plus x equal to 17 upon 7. Now see the numerator 3, denominator 7. Numerator 17, denominator 7. Now there are two options. Either you take 17 upon 7 to the left side, sign will change. Okay. Or to the right side, again the sign will change. So x equal to, pay attention, 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. Now you see the denominators are same. So we directly subtract the numerators. 17 minus 3 upon 7. Now what is 17 minus 3? 14. 14 upon 7 gives you 2. So the value of answer x is 2. Now we go to the next question. Fifth one, 6x equal to 12. So x equal to 12 upon 6. So the answer is 2. Sixth, t upon 5 is equal to 10. Now 5 is in the denominator place. Take it up, cross multiply. T is equal to 10 into 5. So the answer becomes 50. Seventh, 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. 3 is in the denominator. Take it up. 2x equal to 18 into 3. Now x equal to 18 into 3 and this 2 will come down. So we get x equal to 2 9s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Now eighth one. See, eighth one is a little different because it is in decimal. 1.6 equal to y upon 1.5. Cross multiply. 1.6 into 1.5 equal to y. Now what is 1.6? 16 upon 10. 1.5 is 15 upon 10. 16 into 15 upon 100. So we get 240. 0 0 cancels. So we get 2.4. So the answer of y is 2.4. Ninth one. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Now minus 9 goes to the right side, becomes positive. 7x equal to 16 plus 9. 7x equal to 25. So what is the value of x now? X equal to 25 upon 7. 10th one. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. 14y is equal to 21. So y is equal to 21 upon 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14. All the sums you have to repeat 2 times. 11th one. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Now 6p I'll keep on the left side, 17 on the right side. It is positive, so it becomes negative. 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. 6p is equal to minus 8. So p is equal to minus 8 upon 6. So 2 4s are and 2 3s are. Okay, simplify. 12th one, little different. X upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. Now what I have done? Plus 1 I have taken on the right side becomes negative 7 upon 15 minus 1. Now cross multiply. 7 minus 15. 1 15s are 15 and the denominator is 15. X upon 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 upon 15. X upon 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 15. Now this 3 you will take it up. Minus 8 into 3. So you get 3 5s are 15. So x equal to minus 8 upon 5. Exercise 2.3. Solve the following equations. The first one, 3x equal to 2x plus 18. One variable with degree 1. Now take 2x on the left hand side, so it becomes negative. Why negative? Because it is positive. 3x minus 2x equal to 18. So what is the value of x? X equal to 18. Is it clear? Now we go to the second one. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. T together. So 5t minus 3t on the left hand side. Right hand side, this minus 3 will go to the right hand side, becomes positive, and minus 5 is already there. So minus 5 plus 3 gives you minus 2. Why minus 2? Because 5 is greater than 3 with negative sign. And what is 5t minus 3t? It is 2t. So 2t is equal to minus 2. So t is equal to minus 2 upon 2. What is minus 2 upon 2? So you get t is equal to minus 1. Okay, now we go to the third one. 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. 5x minus 3x equal to 5 minus 9. What is 5 minus 9? Minus 4. And 5 minus 3? 2. So 2x equal to minus 4. So x equal to minus 4 upon 2. And your answer is negative. X equal to minus 2. Now we go to the third one. Fourth one, 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. The variable used is z one side. 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. 2z is equal to 3. So z is equal to 3 upon 2. Fifth, 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Minus x come to the left hand side, becomes positive. 2x plus x equal to 14 plus 1. 3x equal to 15. So x equal to 15 upon 3. So x equal to 5. Sixth one is little different. Put a star. 8x plus 4 on the left hand side is equal to 3 bracket x minus 1 plus 7. Now first what you will do, you will multiply, open the brackets. 3x minus 3. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. Now first you will operate minus 3 plus 7, that is plus 4. So we get 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4. Now 8x minus 3x equal to 4 minus 4. What is 4 minus 4? 0. So 8 minus 3 gives you 0. Sorry, 8 minus 3x is 5x. 5x equal to 0. So x is also 0. Seventh one. X equal to 4 upon 5 bracket x plus 10. Multiply 5 with x on the left hand side. 5x equal to 4 bracket x plus 10. 5x equal to, now open the brackets, 4 into x is 4x, 4 tens are 40. Now 5x minus 4x equal to 40, so x is 10. 5x minus 4x equal to 40, so x equal to 40. Eighth one, 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 is equal to 3 minus 1. 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now the LCM is 15, so we multiply all the terms by 15. 15 bracket 2x upon 3 minus 15 into 7x upon 15 is equal to 2 into 15. So 15 cancels, 3 5s are 15, so you get 5 into 2x minus 7x equal to 30. 5 2s are 10, 10x minus 7x equal to 30. 10 minus 7 gives you 3x equal to 30. So x equal to 30 upon 3 and the answer is 10. Ninth one, 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. 2y plus y together. 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. Now you see the denominators are same. So we directly subtract the numerators. Now what is 2y plus y? 2 plus 1 gives you 3. So we get 3y is equal to 26 minus 5 upon 3. What is 26 minus 5? 21. 21 upon 3 on the right hand side. Left hand side you have 3y. Now 21 upon 3 could be written as 7. 3y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 upon 3. 10th one, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. Take 5m on the left hand side. So you get negative. 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now there are two negative signs on both the sides, so we cancel them. 2m is equal to 8 upon 5. Bring down 2. M is equal to 8 upon 5 into 2. So we get m is equal to, why 4 upon 5? Because 2 4s are 8. So we get m is equal to 4 upon 5. Exercise 2.5. Solve the following linear equations. First one, x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Bring x together on the left side. X upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5. On the left hand side the LCM is 6. Right hand side LCM is 20. So we get 3x minus 2x upon 6 equal to 5 plus 4 upon 20. Solve it. X upon 6 equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 upon 20. So x equal to 9 into 6 upon 20. Cancellation. X equal to 27 upon 10. So the answer is 2.7. Now we go to the next one. Second one. N upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 equal to 21. 2, 4, 6. So the LCM is 12. Least common multiple. Multiply all the sides by the LCM. 12 into n upon 2 minus 12 into 3n upon 4 plus 12 into 5n upon 6. Right hand side 12 into 21. 2 6 are 12, so we get 6n. 4 3s are 12, so we get 3 3s are 9n plus 10n. 6 2s are 12, 2 5s are 10, and on the right hand side 12 into 21, keep as it is. Now 6n minus 9n gives you minus 3n plus 10n is equal to 21 into 12. Minus 3 plus 10 gives you 7n. 7n is equal to 21 into 12. N is equal to 21 into 12 upon 7. 7 3s are 21. So n is equal to 3 into 12. So n is equal to 36. Third one, x plus 7 is equal to 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. 3, 6, 2. LCM is 6. So multiply all the terms, both the sides, by 6. Now we are multiplying 6 into x plus 6 into 7 is equal to 6 into bracket 8x upon 3 is equal to 6 into bracket 17 upon 6 minus 6 into 5x upon 2. Simplify. So we get 6x plus 42. 6 7s are 42. Then we get 8 2s are 16. Then 6 6 cancels, so 17 minus 2 3s are 6, so we get 15x. Now 6x minus 16x, write together for simplification, plus 42 is equal to 17 minus 15x. 6 minus 16 gives you minus 10x, plus 42 is equal to 17 minus 15x. By solving it, we get 5x equal to minus 25. So x equal to minus 25 upon 5 gives you x equal to minus 5. Let us see the third sum again. Multiplying both sides by 6. So we get 6x plus 42 minus 16x equal to 17 minus 15x. 6x minus 16x plus 42 is equal to 17 minus 15x. Minus 10x plus 15x equal to 17 minus 42. 5x equal to minus 25. So x equal to minus 25 upon 5. So x equal to minus 5. Fourth one, very easy. X minus 5 upon 3 is equal to x minus 3 upon 5. Now tell me, what is the LCM of 3 and 5? 15. Yes. So we multiply both the sides by 15. And we get 15 into x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to 15 into x minus 3 upon 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. So we get, multiply, 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9. 5x minus 3x equal to minus 9 plus 25. 2x equal to 16. So x equal to 8. Fifth one. 3t minus 2 upon 4 is minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. 4, 3, 3. So the LCM is 12. Multiply both the sides by the LCM and you get 3. 3t minus 2 minus 4. 2t plus 3 is equal to 8 minus 12t. 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12 is equal to 8 minus 12t. And we get the answer, t minus 18 is equal to 8 minus 12t. T plus 12t is equal to 8 plus 18. 13t is equal to 26. So t is equal to 26 upon 13 and the answer is 2. Sixth one. M minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. LCM is 6. Multiply both the sides by 6. So we get 6m minus 3 into m minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 2 into m minus 2. 6m, open the bracket, minus 3m minus minus plus 3 is equal to 6 minus 2m minus minus plus 4. 3m plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 2m. 3m plus 2m is equal to 10 minus 3. 5m is equal to 7. So m is equal to 7 upon 5. Bracket t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. Multiply 3 into t, 3t, 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10 plus 5. 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 plus 7. Minus 7t is equal to 14. So t will be minus 2. Eighth one. 15 bracket y minus 4 is minus 2 bracket y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. Multiply and open the bracket. So we get 18y minus 12 is equal to 0. 18y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 upon 18. So y is equal to 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. The last one, ninth. 10 sums are there. Now it's very easy. On the left hand side, multiply, open the bracket. So we get 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 2 9s are 18, 2 11s are 22. And on the right hand side also you open the bracket. 32 minus 52 minus 17. Bring z together. 15z minus 18z minus 21 plus 22 is equal to 32z minus 61. 15 minus 18 is minus 3z. Minus 32 is equal to minus 69 minus 1, that is minus 70. So z is equal to 70 upon 35, that is 2. 0.25 decimal bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.5 bracket 10f minus 9. Don't worry, very easy. First multiply 0.25 into 4f minus 0.25 into 3 is equal to 0.5 into 10f minus 0.5 into 9. Now what is 0.25? 25 upon 100 into 4f minus 25 upon 100 into 3 is equal to 5 upon 100, because 0.05 no, so 2 place decimal, into 10f minus 5 upon 100 into 9. Now we combine them. 25 into 4 into f upon 100 I have written as 25 into 4. 25 into 3 upon 25 into 4. Left hand side. Come to the right hand side. 5 into 10 into f upon 5 into 20 minus 5 into 9 upon 5 into 20. Chalo, let us solve. 25 25 cancel, 4 4 cancel. What is left? Only f. Minus, now 25 25 cancel, so we get 3 upon 4. F upon 2 minus 9 upon 20. LCM is 2 and 20. So we get f minus f upon 2 is equal to minus 9 upon 20 plus 3 upon 4. LCM is 2. 2f minus f upon 2 is equal to minus 9 plus 15 upon 20. F upon 2 is equal to 6 upon 20. So we get f is equal to 6 into 2. 2 will go up upon 20. So f is equal to 3 upon 5. And the answer is f is equal to 0.6. If you divide, you will get 0.6. Thank you. Please practice them again 2 times. Homework 2 times you have to practice them.